Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super build. Jeez man, I am so excited for this one. Now it took me a while to build this because I needed the motor extension wire for it, so that's why it kind of took me a long time to get it up, but we finally got it. The only thing I'm concerned about is my landing gear in the front. It's a little too like wobbly, so that's definitely, I'm gonna tell you guys now, that's definitely not gonna be strong enough. So we are definitely gonna have to fix our landing gear in the front in the future. Only thing I'm concerned about right now is not having enough low rates, so that's probably the only thing right now. Wish me luck, everyone. I put some landing gear on there, so it's got a nice little look right there. Wow, that thing is nice. So I put it a little bit up, nose up, so that way it can just gradually just take off the ground without me having to pull up on the sticks. Have my 2200 right there, 4S taped and strapped in there, and then my receiver's right there. So the wind is coming right towards the nose of the plane, so we're gonna take it right up and let's hope for something good. Let's make sure our controls are going the proper direction and we're good. Well, she definitely didn't have enough power to take off. We're gonna figure out how to take this plane out today, even if we have to take off the landing gear and toss it. So yeah, we have one landing gear broken and we're not gonna risk it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take landing gear off. We're gonna take the landing gear off and then we're just gonna throw it. We're just gonna toss it and we're gonna see what happens. All right, everyone? All right, let's cross our fingers and let's hope for something good, man. I am kind of scared. Nothing crazy. I just feel like maybe I'm not gonna have enough power, but it's all right. We're gonna figure it out today. All right, it was definitely tail heavy, and that torque roll definitely did happen, so that was a big concern. It looks like our wing is messed up. Oh yeah, that was a bad crash. Our whole wing came off. Let me see, how am I gonna be able to fix this? Honestly, just some glue, but I mean, I don't think if I put tape on it right now, I don't think that's actually gonna hold it. But we can try though. So she will definitely fly, and she was just very much tail heavy, but she's right on the CG though, so I'm kind of like concerned as to why she just went all the way up like that. Now it can be the reflex, so I'm gonna try to put it down a little bit, the reflex, and bring the CGs a little bit more up. All right, I highly doubt it's actually gonna work because as you can see, look, one side is going all the way up, one side is going all the way down. So we're definitely going to be limited right there, but we're still going to toss it. What the heck? I mean, if it breaks, it breaks. What's the worst that can happen? I mean, we just got to build a new one, right? So it's totally fine. Yeah, I feel like I didn't have enough power, and my error is up to 18%, so something's wrong. Definitely needs a little bit more control. Yeah, it needs a little bit more control on the elevator. Destroyed it. That was awesome. I ain't gonna lie, that looked cool. Ooh, that was crazy. That was crazy, everyone. Broke my other wing as well. So, all right. Jeez, this is stuck down here. Really good. Woo, look at it. All right, so first things first. Here we have it. And honestly, I'm really not that mad. I definitely was concerned about this plane torque rolling. As you can see, it definitely did torque roll a lot as soon as I launched it, no matter what percentage I had the throttle on. So that's really it. Now, the only cool thing about this plane is that it's very easy to build. It's not as hard as it looks. My main thing right now is I'm actually gonna make another one. No landing gear. I mean, I can probably fix this, but oh no, our controls are completely gone. So yeah, look at that. We have nothing left. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go home, we're gonna reprint this, and we're actually gonna be building another version. And this time we're gonna be trying it again, but we're actually going to keep the landing gear off. My thrills are at, I'm pretty sure they're at 100, guys. Let me see. X-29 dual rates. All right, so low is 70 and 30, and high it's 100. Yeah, so, and then my travel adjustment is all the way at 120, 115 on this one, but it's literally still does nothing. So all right, it's all right. It's definitely all right. I feel like if I had a little bit of a bigger field, I would have been able to get it. Because it could, I don't know if you guys seen in the first turn, I literally went over, and then I was coming down, but then I throttled up, and then I pulled back on the sticks. I'm sorry. So then when I came around, I pulled back on the sticks, and I was able to get it before it hit the ground. But that second little loop obviously did not go all the way through. It's totally fine. We're definitely just gonna build another one. So comment down below what you think actually happened. I mean, I feel like it was just that first crash. I actually just taped the one half of the wing there, and we definitely had limited control. And that's basically it. Now, I mean, it looks like I can fix it just like this. Like, it looks like I could just go home and just put it back together. So we're gonna see if maybe just some barbecue skewers, right? Some barbecue skewers and some glue will fix it. Because that was it for this video, everyone. I appreciate you guys for staying. You guys stayed this long to watch this crash. I'm sorry it wasn't as long and spectacular as we usually do. I never flew this plane before. I never built it before. It is pretty cold. Honestly, let me just stop making excuses. I just didn't have enough control. So that's pretty much it, man. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay creative.